All right, Steve. So people want to know how you do things.
Okay.
In this case,
This is how we start.
well, hang on. In this case, so this is an NR750. Clearly, you can't find these parts anymore. Really rare oval piston Honda. This is before, as you see, all the oxidation that kind of just turns the metal all different kind of colors. The edges look all bad, right?
Yep.
And then
Looks
this
grubby.
is what looks like after you've done your magic. All right, looks like brand new. So anyway,
We'll say it looks better.
what's that?
We'll say it looks better. Not brand new, but
I'm going with better.
close as I
I'm
can
going
get.
with brand new.
okay.
That aside. So anyway, so first and foremost, you have got to blue tape up the window.
Got to blue tape up the window, keep it clean, and then
And if you don't know what that window is, that's your little sight glass for your
Yep.
reservoir. So you need to protect that because you don't want to, you know,
still want to be able to see through it.
there you have it. So do that. So walk me through the whole steps.
Next thing I'm going to do is just get it. It's got a clear coat over it, which is really difficult to get off. So I just use the Scotch-Brite wheels to get that off.
So when he says this, so he uses a bench grinder. He uses these Scotch-Brite wheels right here. This is what we're looking at right here, right?
Yep.
So you use that. That gets a clear coat off. And then walk us.
Gets it a good like a brush finish. Makes it look nice.
All right, let's see how you do that real quick.
Okay. Just get an
Okay.
idea like that. It's already starting to. You can see where the clear is coming off and it's getting cleaned up.
Oh, yeah, look at that. I can see really well right now.
Yep.
Okay, so without going any further, tell me what the next step should be.
Well, once I get all the areas that look like they're polished, cleaned up like this, you know, then this stuff right here is really discolored and it's just really old looking. So I have to tape up all the stuff I polish and then bead blast it,
Okay.
and that's how you get the finish.
And then
Like
what
we got
what
there.
what are we using in a media blaster for a bead blaster? What are you using for
Glass.
it? What's that?
Glass.
So glass. All right. Then after that, you usually throw a clear coat on there also, right?
Yeah.
So, you know,
Then I clean it all up with acetone and then clear it.
clean it with acetone. Clear it with just a rattle can.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rattle can clear coat, and that keeps the finish nice and clean and keeps it from oxidizing again. It makes it look like this and stay this way for a long time.
Yeah.
So one more time, take this Scotch-Brite pad, takes the clear off. Oh, and you know what? One more thing to point out: you got to make sure that you're putting a dummy bolt.
Yeah. Plug up all the openings.
Yeah, you do not want any media or any kind of material getting inside your
Right.
reservoir, filling up your threads, or getting inside there to block your brake. So as you see, he's already blocked those up.
Yep.
Do the same thing when we're doing powder coating and that sort of thing.
Yep.
Protect the threads. Cool.
Gotta keep her clean.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Nice job.
Back to it.